Welcome to Right Click Education. In this video, we will learn how can we implement Angular Material Snackbar. So, without getting any delay, let's get straight back to the implementation. Open your Chrome, type Angular Material, search it, click on material.angular.io, first link which is official website of Angular Material. Click on it, click on components. In the side navbar, you can see there are all Angular Material components. So let's click on Snackbar. So basically Snackbar is used to give message whenever anything is happening. Suppose anything is successful, you can give message, a pop-up that it is successful or it is failed, something like this. So let's see. If I click on this show Snackbar, you can see right one pop-up comes which says disco party dance. Click on dance, it will closed. So this is Snackbar. So this is frequently used to show the message on any of the event happening in the application, right? So in order to implement it, click on API, copy this mat Snackbar module, go to your VS Code, open app.module.ts, scroll up, paste it here, copy mat Snackbar module in the ng module import section, paste it. So we are done with the import part. Now let's see how we can implement it. Go to overview, click on examples, click on view code. So now let's copy this HTML, go to your VS Code, open app.component.html, paste it. So what we are doing, we have this form which is a select box. Now we have this button. Okay, in this button we are clicking, we are triggering one event which is open snack bar. Okay, so if we click on this button, this method open snack bar will be triggered, and now we need to write this open snack bar. Okay, so let's see how it is written. Go to TS, scroll down. So if you see right on this open snack bar, they have opened one little pop-up. Okay, and they are calling this pizza party component. So first we will create one component so that we can call it. So let's first create component. So type in the command prompt ng angular g for generates for component. The name of component, let's give it snack bar. Okay, so now the component is done. Let's go to official website. So first what we will do, we will copy this piece of code, go to our app.component.ts, paste it here. So now you can see we have this mat snack bar, right? So first we need to import it. Import mat snack bar. Okay, so what is happening, we are creating one instance of mat snack bar which is snack bar underscore, and this mat snack bar has one method that is open from component. So it will basically show the message, whatever message is there in this component. So instead of this component we will write our newly created component, which is snack bar component, right? Now whatever there in this snack bar component, that message will pop out. Okay, let's see. Let's try to compile the code. ng sub, type it and press enter. It will take a couple of seconds to compile the application. So what we are doing here, we are clicking on button. On click of that button, this open snack bar method is getting triggered. This open snack bar method has this dot snack bar, which is an instance of mat snack bar dot open component. Okay, so it will open a pop-up for us, which will have content of this snack bar component, and the duration for which that pop-up will appear is 1000 seconds. Okay, so let's see how the UI looks. Click on new tab and localhost 4200. So you can see, right, this snack bar duration is mat form here. If you click on this pizza party, you can see, right, this snack bar works. This pop-up is coming. Now we can do little bit of customization to this. So let's go to the official website and we will style this. So first let's add some HTML to the pop-up. So if you see, they have this pizza party. So let's copy it. Go to your snack bar component.html, remove this code, write this one. Now we will style it a little bit. Okay, so in order to style it, click on ts. If you scroll down, you can see they have done this styling, right? So we'll copy this styling, go to your snackbar.component.css, paste it here. Okay, so this styling we have done. Okay, now let's go to our UI and see how it looks like. So click on this, you can see, right, a pink message is coming, right? So this is the simple implementation of mat snack bar. Okay, we can also change the position of the pop-up which is coming. So in order to do that, let's scroll down. Okay, so if you can see here, they have this code, right, HTML with them. So copy this HTML, go to your VS Code, open app.component.html, paste it here. So it will basically do what? It will basically have this form with the two select boxes and this button with the same method, which is open snack bar. So the snack bar will get triggered from here, and again they have this ts. In ts they have imported these two. Let's copy it, go to your app.component.ts. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, so and now we will create one instance of this both. Okay, so if you see here, they have created one instance of it. copy it, go to your VS Code, paste it here. Okay, now let's again go to official website. So you can see this is the open snackbar method that they have written. Okay, so instead of this, put this here. Now if you see here, if you click on pool party, it is coming in the left bottom, right? If we click top, you can see it's coming on the top. So let's see if for us it is coming or not. So click on this pool party, you can see, right, this is coming in down. Close it. Now click on and bottom, it will come on and bottom. If you click on center bottom, it will come in center of bottom. If you click right of the bottom, it will go to right of the bottom. Similarly, if you select top, it will come in the top right. If you select left, it will come in the left top. If you select end, it will come in the end top. If you select center, it will come in center top. If you select start, it will come in start. So in this way you can implement the mat snack bar and you can customize the implementation in this way. So that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.